Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting right at the system. Don't waste time. Turn the ignition to ACC or on so the multimedia display is live, and then tap Menu or Setup. Once in Setup, choose Bluetooth and open the Paired Devices list. You want to see the device name so you can remove the correct entry. This prevents accidental deletion of another phone. Pay attention now. Selecting the exact paired entry is the first actionable step toward unpairing. Now you remove the device. Select the target entry in Paired Devices, then tap Delete or Unpair, confirm when the system asks. Once done on the head unit, make sure you also delete or forget the Toyota Vios Bluetooth entry on the phone. This prevents automatic reconnection. If the vehicle prompts to clear contacts or messages, choose based on privacy needs. This two-sided removal ensures the car and phone no longer exchange profiles or call history. Finish by restarting the multimedia system or cycle the ignition to force the head unit to refresh its Bluetooth list. Then check Paired Devices to confirm the entry is gone. Try to reconnect from the phone. It should no longer auto-pair. If the device reappears, make sure you cleared it on the phone too. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset the car's Bluetooth settings or perform a factory reset of the head unit only if simple removal fails, because that clears cached pairings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.